Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Jake. It's so nice to see you. How have you been?
Hi, Emma. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good too. I've been spending a lot of time with my family lately.
That sounds nice. Tell me about your family. How many people are in your family?
I have a small family. There are four of us: my mom, my dad, my younger brother, and me. What about you?
My family is a bit bigger. I have 5 people in my family: my parents, my older sister, my younger brother, and me.
Oh, that's nice. Are you close with your siblings?
Yes, I am. My sister and I talk a lot, and we like to watch movies together. My brother is younger, so sometimes he's annoying, but he's funny too.
That sounds fun. My little brother is also a bit annoying, but I love him. We play video games together.
That's cool. What do your parents do?
My mom is a teacher, and my dad is a doctor. They are both very busy, but we always eat dinner together. What about your parents?
My mom is a nurse, and my dad works in an office. They are busy too, but we try to spend time together on the weekends.
That's great. I think spending time with family is very important.
I agree. What do you like most about your family?
I love that we always support each other. My parents always help me with my schoolwork, and my brother makes me laugh when I feel stressed.
That's so nice. In my family, I love that we always eat meals together and talk about our day. It makes me feel close to them.
That's really special. Families are so important.
So, Emma, does your family have any special routines or habits?
Yes, every evening we have dinner together at the table. We talk about our day and share funny stories. What about your family?
That sounds nice. My family also eats dinner together, but on weekends, we do something special.
Oh, really? What do you do?
On Saturdays, we have a family movie night. We choose a movie, make popcorn, and watch it together. It's a lot of fun.
That's such a great idea. What kinds of movies do you usually watch?
We like comedies and adventure movies. Sometimes we let my little brother choose, so we end up watching cartoons.
That sounds like my family too. My brother loves animated movies, so we watch a lot of them.
Do you do anything special on weekends?
Yes. On Sundays, we go to the park. My dad and I like to jog, and my mom and brother play soccer.
That sounds fun. I love going to the park. My family goes for picnics sometimes.
Picnics are great. What do you usually bring?
We bring sandwiches, fruit, and some snacks. My mom always makes lemonade, and it's so good.
Yum, I love homemade lemonade. I think doing things with family is really important.
Me too. It makes us closer and gives us good memories.
Exactly. Do you have a favorite family memory?
Yes. Last summer, we went to the beach. We swam, built sand castles, and had ice cream. It was the best day.
That sounds amazing. My favorite memory is when we went camping. We made a fire, roasted marshmallows, and told stories.
That sounds so fun. I want to try camping someday.
You should. It's a great way to spend time with family.
I agree. Families are the best.
So, Jake, does your family have any special traditions?
Yes. Every year, we celebrate my grandmother's birthday with a big family dinner. All my aunts, uncles, and cousins come. It's like a small family reunion.
That sounds wonderful. What do you usually do at the dinner?
We eat a lot of food, play games, and share stories about my grandmother's childhood. It's really fun. Does your family have any special traditions?
Yes, every Christmas we bake cookies together. My mom makes the dough and my brother, and I cut the cookies into fun shapes.
That sounds so fun. Do you decorate them too?
Yes, we use icing and sprinkles. Sometimes my brother makes a big mess, but we all have a good time.
That sounds like my little brother. He always makes a mess in the kitchen too.
It's part of the fun. What about birthdays? How does your family celebrate them?
We always have a birthday cake, and the birthday person gets to choose their favorite meal for dinner.
That's nice. My family does something similar. We also sing and take lots of pictures.
Do you have any special holiday traditions?
Yes, on New Year's Eve, we stay up until midnight and watch fireworks.
That's cool. My family does that too. And we also write down our New Year's goals.
Oh, I like that idea. What was your goal this year?
My goal was to read more books. What about you?
My goal was to learn how to cook better.
That's a great goal. Maybe next Christmas, you can bake the cookies all by yourself.
Maybe. Family traditions make holidays and special days even better.
I agree. They bring everyone together and make the best memories. So, Emma, do you have any plans with your family this weekend?
Yes, this Saturday, we're having a family barbecue at my grandparents' house. My cousins will be there too.
That sounds great. What kind of food will you have?
My dad will grill burgers and hot dogs, and my mom is making a big salad. My grandma is baking a cake too.
Wow, that sounds delicious. Do you usually have family barbecues?
Yes, especially in the summer. It's always fun. What about you? Do you have any family plans this weekend?
Yes. On Sunday, we're going on a short trip to the countryside. My parents love nature, so we'll go hiking and have a picnic.
That sounds amazing. Do you go on trips like this often?
Not too often, but we try to go at least once every few months. It's a nice way to spend time together.
I agree. Family time is so important. Do you take photos when you go on trips?
Yes. My sister loves photography, so she always takes pictures of the scenery.
That's so nice. I love looking back at family photos.
Me too. They bring back so many good memories.
Maybe next time, we can both bring some family photos and share stories.
That's a great idea. I'd love to see your family pictures.
And I'd love to see yours too. Well, I should go now. I need to help my mom with grocery shopping for the barbecue.
That's nice of you. I should go too. I promised my little brother I'd play soccer with him.
That sounds fun. Have a great time with your family this weekend.
You too, Emma. Enjoy your barbecue.
Thanks. See you next week.
See you soon. Bye.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.